cabin air filter. So you open the lock box, and then you pull this cover right here, or this booklet bracket. Pull it off, and you see the panel on the back. Just pull that panel off. And then you see another cover on the back. Just pull that cover off. And 2 tap on the side. And 1 tap here, and then 1 tap over here. Pull it off. And you see the filter. Pull it out, and you see the arrow is facing down. So you got a new filter. Arrow facing down. Slide it in. And then put the cover back. And then the outer cover. And then this bookshelf or a book cover. Alright, that's it. That's how you replace a cabin air filter or AC filter on an Acura TLX.